Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make 3D waves on a coffee table. Here I'm not using any heat gun to create cells. So to know how I made this, please watch the video till the end. This is a coffee table glass which I'm using. So on the back side, apply masking tape as shown. Next, to make the rocks, I am using POP, which is plaster of Paris. Add water to plaster of Paris and mix well. It should be of thin consistency. On the front side, wherever you want to create the rock effect, you need to apply the plaster of Paris. Here I am creating a small island. So same way, just wherever you want the rock effect, just apply the POP. The first layer will be of thin consistency. The second layer should be of semi-thick consistency. So just add little bit of POP and mix well, and then you will get the semi-thick consistency. Just randomly add it. Next, take some sand and then add Fevicol to it and mix well. Apply the sand with Fevicol as shown. Paint the rock portion with burnt sienna acrylic color. These are artificial grass. Apply some Fevicol on the rock area and sprinkle these. Here I am using Ipocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Pour the clear resin into separate cups and then add the pigments. Here I am using aquamarine blue, ultramarine blue and some primary blue color. First pour ultramarine blue followed by primary blue followed by aquamarine blue. Spread it evenly and merge the colors well. Next, to create waves, pour the clear resin near the sand area. Add the white pigment to the resin and mix well. Next, add 2 drops of cell serum. This is epoch cell serum which is used to create cells. So just add 2 drops of cell serum and mix well. Now add the white pigment. You can see that the cells have already started creating. This is how the first layer looks. Allow it to completely dry for 24 hours before you proceed on to the second wave. On the next day, apply a clear coat resin till you want the second wave. Then pour the white pigment mixed with cell serum near the neck of the second wave. If there are any bubbles, just pop it out using a torch gas. Allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. Next, pour the clear resin till you want the third wave. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell icon so that whenever I post any videos, you will be notified with the message.